In the matter of John Lynn versus Commissioner of Motor Vehicles, 45 C01 1301 MI2.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon. Ready to proceed?
I am, Judge.
All right, let's proceed.
Johnny, state your name for the record.
I'm going to swear him in.
Oh, let's swear him in.
Right hand. Swear from testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
Speak out loud for the court and state your name.
John Lynn,
John, how old are you?
18,
And where do you currently reside?
18 Walnut Parkway, Crown Point, Indiana,
And what's your date of birth?
6/10/94.
Now, your driver's license is currently suspended by the Bureau of Motor Vehicles, is that correct?
Correct.
And that's for a no insurance accident.
Yes.
At the time of the accident, were you aware that you did not have insurance?
No, I was not.
And why was that?
I was paying my father to do it, and he was not paying the insurance. He was paying his own bills.
So you'd say your particular lack of insurance would be inadvertent?
Mm-hmm.
Say yes.
Yes.
Are you currently employed, John?
Yes, I am.
Where do you work?
Multi-state transmissions in Hammond.
And you're a mechanic there?
Yes, I am.
And you're currently in school as well, correct?
Correct.
Where is that?
Crown Point Alternative.
Have you ever been convicted or suspended for a similar offense?
No, I have not.
And you use your income at multi-state transmission to help pay household bills, is that correct?
Yes, I do.
And you need a license to get from Crown Point to Hammond to work.
Yes.
You need a license to get to school as well.
Yes, I do.
I have no further questions.
Cross-examination?
Sir, prior to this, has your license ever been suspended before?
No, it has not.
As a result of this, is there a judgment against you?
No.
Oh, so there was no judgment issued for the accident?
No.
No further question, Your Honor.
Anything else?
And John, you do have insurance now.
Yes, I do.
Nothing further.
No. We'll grant the petition.
Thank you.
If you have an order, you can submit one.
I do, Judge, on that approach.
You can step down here, man.
He called. He filed it on that because he wasn't.
Andrew Favela versus Commissioner of Motor Vehicles, 45 CO1 1212 MI 175. Are you Mr. Favela?
Yes, sir.
You're representing yourself?
I have hired Mr. Padula as my lawyer for Mr. Vargas.
Where's he at?
I don't know, sir.
Well, why don't you have a seat? Let's wait for him a little bit.
Okay.
All right. We'll pass your case for now. Brian Brooms versus Bernard Carr, 45 C1 1208 MI 131. Okay. We have a motion to intervene by the state of Indiana, which was granted, and I guess you're objecting to the issuing of the probation or restricted license.
That's right, Your Honor. We have the motion for relief for judgments pending, and in it we state that the court set aside its previous order granting a hardship petition because Mr. Brooms had 3 prior suspensions making him ineligible for a hardship license.
You understand that, Mr. Brooms?
Yes, sir.
Pardon me?
I said, I guess so.
Well, you understand what the state is saying, that you had 3 prior suspensions, so that disqualifies you under the statute from receiving a restricted license.
Okay.
Were you represented by a lawyer in this?
No.
All right, we'll grant the state's petition. You want to submit an order? No?
We did, but we can submit another one.
All right.
It was with the prior filing, so.
Okay. Oh, wait, I have it. Order granting relief from the judgment.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, that's all.
Thank you, Judge.
You might want to consult with a lawyer, sir, to go through the statute, make sure you understand why your license isn't being, why your restricted license isn't being granted.
Okay. But
Okay?
Yeah, but I was, my license is being reinstated now, so I don't know.
So it's being reinstated,
I have
a normal, a regular license?
I have a current valid driver's license right now.
That may be the case, Your
That
Honor.
may be the case. Doesn't
Suspension
matter.
may have lapsed.
Okay, well then, you're fine.
Okay.
You know, as long as you don't receive anything from the state of Indiana, you're, I guess, fine to drive.
Okay.
If you have a valid license.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Kenneth Baker versus Bernard Carter, 45 CON 1208 MI 134.
Afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Joe Svetnoff on behalf of Kenneth Baker. Your Honor, the state of Indiana filed a motion to intervene within this case. Your Honor, at this time we'd like to withdraw our petition for hardship license due to the fact that it's moot now, and in that we've entered into a criminal plea agreement on Mr. Baker's matter, which has rectified and cleared up.
We just asked that the court set aside that order formally just to clear B&B records. If that's agreeable.
That's fine.
All right, so I'll go ahead and sign the order.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day.
Oh, okay. To get this attorney that's summoned for the bill.
Oh, okay. I have it here. Okay. All right, back on the record, Mr. Favella's matter, 45 CO1 1212 MI 175.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Are you ready to proceed, counsel?
I believe so, Your Honor. Robert Varga, I'm covering for Attorney William Padula.
Okay.
We had a conflict today on behalf of the petitioner.
Favelli, you want to take the stand, sir?
Yes, sir.
Stand, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear it's firm, tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Have a seat.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Good afternoon, Andrew. What's your full name?
Full name is Andrew Favela.
Where do you live?
I live in Schererville, Indiana.
And how old are you?
25 years old.
And you are an Indiana licensed driver, correct?
Correct.
Andrew, have you ever held a license from any other state other than the state of Indiana?
No, only Indiana.
Has your license ever previously been suspended?
No.
Okay. You are currently suffering a suspension because of a pending criminal case for an operating while intoxicated charge. Is that correct?
Correct.
And that charge is pending here in Lake County, Indiana?
Yes, sir.
And you've received notice of an administrative license suspension as a result of the probable cause?
Yes.
Okay. Andrew, who do you live with at your address?
I live with my older brother, Daniel Favela.
And is that a home or an apartment?
It's in a condo.
Are you employed?
Yes.
Where do you work?
I work at a company called Sargent's Equipment.
How long have you worked at Sargent's Equipment?
Approximately a year and a half.
And where are they located?
They're located in South Chicago Heights, Illinois.
Other than your employment with Sargent's, do you have any other sources of income or resources for which you can use to support yourself?
No, sir.
Andrew, is there public transportation available for where you live to get to and from work each day?
No.
And do you have family that can provide you with a ride to and from work every day at the times that you need it?
No.
Andrew, if without the driving privileges to operate your vehicle to and from your place of employment, would that work an undue hardship on you financially?
Yes.
Would you be able to keep that job if you couldn't drive to it each day?
No.
You've indicated in the petition which you signed and verified that you work 6 days a week and your hours can start as early as 5:30 a.m. and end as late as 6 p.m. Is that correct?
Correct.
What kind of work do you do for Sargent's?
I'm a purchasing agent. I purchase parts and supplies for the shop.
Because that's a full-time position,
Yes.
obviously.
Yes.
Andrew, has your license and your driving privilege, I'm sorry if I've asked this, have they ever been suspended previously for any other reason except the pending criminal charge that you have right now?
This would be the only time.
And Andrew, have you been made aware that you will be going to be required through the course of the criminal proceeding that you are expected to participate in a certified alcohol rehabilitation program at some point?
Yes.
Judge, I have no further questions.
Cross-examination?
Sir, you stated that your license had never been suspended before,
Yes, it's never
and
been.
there was no accident or unsatisfied judgment as a result of the incident?
No.
No further questions, Your Honor.
You may step down. All right, anything else?
Nothing further, Judge, just argument, but
Court grant petition. Thank you. Do you have any, you have an order?
Your Honor, I do. If I may approach.
Alfred Gonzalez versus Indiana Bureau of Motor Vehicles, 45 C01 1210, MI 156.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
On behalf of Mr. Gonzalez, I'm requesting to withdraw the petition at this time.
Okay. Motion's granted. Would you submit a quick little
I will.
order?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Woody Adams versus the Bureau of Motor Vehicle, 45 seal 112 173. Raise your right hand, ma'am. You solemnly swear affirm, tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
Please be seated.
Good afternoon, Judge. Mr. Adam, would you state your full name, please?
Wordy Adam,
Where do you reside, Mr. Adams?
Gary, Indiana.
Okay, what street?
1888 West 21st Avenue.
How long have you resided there?
Probably almost 7 years.
Mrs. Adams, do you have a valid Indiana operator's license?
Yes, I do have license,
Okay.
but they are suspended.
Okay. How long ago were they suspended, Mrs. Adams?
October 17th.
Okay. What were they suspended for, ma'am?
Driving under the influence of alcohol.
Have you been suspended before?
No.
Okay. Mrs. Adams, have you done anything to correct this behavior pattern?
Yes, sir.
What have you done?
I've gone to AA meetings. I've been going to AA meetings. I started in September. And then I've been going ever since September. I was going before the court ordered me to go, and I've been going ever since. I've had to take 3 weeks of leave.
Okay. Are you employed, Ms. Adams?
No, I'm on Social Security.
Okay. Do you do any kind of work at all?
Yes, I'm a caregiver. I take care of my mother that's not well.
Okay. How old is your mother, ma'am?
She's 79 on the 18th of this month.
Is she mobile?
She can get around just barely. I have to have a transport to ambulance. She goes mostly to she goes to Dallas. Too much, so I have to go with her to that, but all her doctor appointments and everything. She has a lot of health issues. She's, like I said, she has Parkinson's, she has Alzheimer's, congestive heart failure, she has a pacemaker, she has 1 kidney. So really, she's not really able to do too much. I do have an aide to come in to get her bathed for me.
Do you need a license to help assist your mother in maintaining a life?
Yes, I have to do all the running to get groceries, her medicine, her household needs, personal hygiene stuff she needs, practically everything for her. I have to make sure she has all her medication. But she's a diabetic, I have to give her insulin. And so, like I said, I have to run, pick up medication, get her grocery and cook, and do it all.
Do you have any other relatives that could help out with this?
No, I have other relatives, but no, they don't help me out. I can't really depend on. I have a brother. He might, come in if I have to run to do something. But usually I try to do most of my running, take care of my business with the aide is there before I relieve her.
Are you asking this court to give you a restricted license or probationary license to help your mother?
Yes. Plus, I need transportation to get back and forth. To depend on somebody to get me to my meeting. So, I had to call around and try to get a ride so I can make my meeting.
What meetings do Ms. Adams?
I go to AA. That's at the Serenity House, and then I go to the Freedom House.
I have an exhibit here I'd like to. That's just where she's going to attend.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is a order sheet for me to make my When I go to my AA meetings, I have to have it signed by whoever chairs the meeting to let them know that I have been there, and they trust it in their book too.
Is that because of the criminal proceeding that you were in?
Yes.
Attending this meeting?
Yes.
If you, if the judge grants your restricted hardship license, would you become involved in any kind of behavior of this sort again?
Yes, I'm getting my life on the right road. I go to church.
Oh, okay.
I go to church.
Where do you go to church, ma'am?
I go to Van Buren, 2585 West Van Buren Street.
Is that in Gary?
That's in Gary, yeah.
Okay. Do you feel that your behavior has improved considerably since then?
Yes, I have done a lot better, and the meetings helped me a lot.
Okay. How many meetings do you have remaining to attend?
They didn't say. I just
Okay.
go because I know I need to keep my life in order, keep myself straight.
Mm-hmm. Are you sorry about the situation that has developed in your life?
Yes, I am.
And you're
I
telling us-
apologize.
You apologize to the court? No, no further questions.
Cross-examination?
Ma'am, I apologize. I don't have a copy of this petition. You stated your license has never been suspended before for anything at all, not just for drinking and driving.
No, I might have had a ticket once, and I had to take the written test over and pay the.
But your driver's license has never
but they
been
wasn't
suspended.
suspended, no. It
Have you
was
ever been
test.
convicted of an operating while intoxicated prior to this incident?
No.
Do you have valid car insurance?
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, anything else, Mr. Hall?
Yes. No further questions.
Anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, court grants petition.
Thank you, Your
You
Honor.
may step down, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.